Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Vanguard error VAN 1067 for League of Legends. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on our main homepage for the Riot client that does have League of Legends. Now, first method to fix it is to go to the Microsoft search, and then from here going to go to apps and features, and you're going to click on it right here. Now from here we're going to see the list. We're going to click and search for this list, and so we're going to search for Vanguard, and as you can see, Riot Vanguard is the first one that we get. We're going to click on it, and then from here we're going to simply click on uninstall, and then going to uninstall again, and then from here it's going to give you this error where it's going to show you that this completely uninstall Riot client, and so games that depend on its functionality will stop working. Click on yes. And once you do so, it's going to slowly uninstall Riot Vanguard. Now that is done, you're going to exit, and then from here you're going to restart your client. Now from here you're going to search it again, and then you're going to click on it. It's going to direct us back here, and so once you go to League of Legends, there's going to be a big button that says install Vanguard, and so you're going to update the game. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.